Hey, good morning, guys. How you doing? How you doing? Well, it's a little chilly this morning. Kind of foggy. I think it's smoke, actually. I think some of the local sugar canes being burned off. But I did make some headway on my doors on the shop house. So let's take a look, huh? Wow. Pretty much just the kitchen left now. Here, check it out. Boom. Ta-da. So, double doors. Actually, I have them set up so that those door handles are, you got slide locks in the bottom. Drilled those 2 holes, and actually on the top, I got a little door sweep on the bottom to keep the, any excess water, or I did put a deadbolt on that side. Here, let me close them. I had to trim the door, and I used the actual trim to use it as a door block there. So yeah, man, pretty cool. I like it. Still gonna do some more to it, and got the sliding doors in here for the kitchen. Gonna be working on that today. But yeah, sliding glass doors, guy installed all that. It was like 6,000 baht, so 170 bucks or something. Also got the air conditioning installed. Took that from the mom's old house over there, from our bedroom. Brought it over here. Cost about 4,000 baht or something like that to tear it apart over there and bring it here. Here is the restroom. Teak door. Pretty cool. These teak doors are not easy to work with, man. And here's the other teak door that leads to the outside. So I'll close this. I like the way the sun hits it, man. Really makes it cool. Oh, and the shower is also finished. These are the 2 shelves I put in there. Everything working good. This actually, the box is from the old house too, but we bought this last model from Global Hardware. And yeah, sink's still perfect. I did wind up removing all the blue piping, cut it out, redid it. Well, it works fine. And sprayer, I did put I wound up putting a tissue post there. But I'm gonna put, still gotta actually scrub it clean, but I'm gonna put a decorative facade on the front of that. But yeah, man, looks like it's all in good shape. Let me see if I can close this door here. I'm gonna have to put some more varnish, I think, on the door too. But yeah, because it'll get sun, this will get baked. I'm gonna paint that gray and take the white out of there. The bottom, I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with this part, but doors, man, doors are all in. And I on that shower, oh man, had a little bit of a setback. Took like a whole day. If you remember, I mean, if you guys have been following, so I before tiling, I embedded the water line. 1/2-inch water line goes around to the shower, right? Anyway, so when I was putting that little triangle shelf I made in the corner on the bottom, I drilled and I punched the hole right into that freaking pipe, and water came shooting out, and oh man, I had to redo the whole thing. But I did take a little bit of video, so here, check it out. Okay, well, I was working in my bathroom, really almost done with the plumbing, and I decided I was going to make these little shelves, one there, and what I really did was I just drilled in 3 holes there and 3 holes there, and put cement nails to use kind of as a rebar or whatever. And then I made a form, simple little form, put it underneath there. I used that PVC pipe to hold it up underneath there. So I was gonna make another one over here, and I went and drilled a hole. And sure enough, I drilled a hole through this wall, because this water pipe goes behind here and goes up here. I remember the pipe being above the line. As soon as I drilled the hole, it the soap dude, oh god dang it. And I knew there's no way I can really, I mean, if I had to put a coupling on there or something like that, what a nightmare. So, like anybody, well, I just went to YouTube and said, dude, how do I fix that hole in the damn PVC without too much effort? So, this is a 1/2 inch pipe. I took a 3/4 inch pipe. I actually had this old pipe over here. I just cut a piece of it off. And then I just cut the, I cut a section. This is just a trim. I cut a section of that off so that I could basically just push it and it would snap onto that, so it's cut. The 3/4 looks like this. And then I just soaked the inside with PVC glue, of course, and then PVC glued that, and then snapped it on there. And I let it sit all night, and I came back this morning and tested it, and it was fine. This is the tile where I drilled that hole, and pow! But a little bit of a setback. So, but I think what's good now is that with even though that's a nightmare, I gotta cut a piece of tile to put in there. When I put the shelf in there, actually this is gonna be, it'll probably be like this. If I put the shelf in here, you won't be able to see it, right? Unless you're getting underneath there. So, yeah, I'll just put it there. Maybe I'll put it a little higher. Yeah, I'll put it a little higher. And then, yeah, you won't be able to see it too bad. But oh my God, what a nightmare. I was right there, I was like, yeah. And then I saw water leaking here. I'm like, where's it going? I see it, it goes out to the drain, but where's it coming from? And then it was coming from here, of course. So I redid that whole thing. And then it was fine. And in the morning I come out like now and I see more water and I'm like, what the? But I see that it's coming actually from this cheapo handle. Maybe it needs a new washer or whatever. So I'm gonna take that apart, see that it does that. Yeah. But yeah, man. So shower's all in place. Everything's ready. It works really great. I had the inlet and outlet mixed up, so it wasn't getting hot. And I was like, what's wrong with the hot water? I figured that out. And yeah, that works great. Sink works great. Toilet flush is good. Everything is in good shape. I just need to, I'm gonna put that other platform there. You can put soap or whatever you want, or shampoo, stuff like that, as well as there. But I always, when I'm covered in dust and dirt, I like to put my foot up somewhere where I can scrub that crap off my legs. So that'll work. Yeah, that was a nightmare. Bummer. I thought it was above the line, but yeah. Anyway, I also did some work on my shop part of the area. I think I filmed this before. I had a table here and a bunch of my junk just piled, working on all my tools, piled pipe off. I pull all that out, clear it out, because this is going to be this is an actual pass-through, right? Between the shop and the shop house. So, and I'm going to try and do something here so that I don't hit my head. Right here where I'm standing, I can walk clearly, but here I'll hit my head. Anyway, in the shop portion of it, if you had been seeing this area was just all my tools piled up. And what I did was that's a door from that table back here that was laid out, you know. Had two doors. One door is actually here. That's that table. And I put that door up on the wall there so I could hang some tools. And of course these are the ones that I had just built, but I think I'm gonna still put another wood facade up there. This I did yesterday, but I'm gonna actually take all that down because I'm putting this, gonna put the grating up with hooks and stuff and do my tools on this side, hooks and tools. And then I got some of these bigger, and then it comes out pretty good because a lot of this beam stuff everywhere. So I got these bigger hooks, and they'll go just right in those beams really easy. And that's what I'll use to set my power tools on. And that'll be all cemented up in the bottom. But this is a lot of work, man. Actually, this is my tool pile. And all the way, I also just bought a brand new, I bought this new, came from Lazada, new hammer drill. This thing, oh my God, I should have bought that first. I effectively killed my other drill yesterday. This one, yeah, it just basically started on fire when I was drilling those holes in through the tile in the bottom for the into the concrete for the lock bar to go into. Dude, that thing just, it was on its way though, because I have used that drill for this whole project. Drilling cement everywhere. I mean, all the metal rebar holes throughout this whole building, all that stuff. The entire project for the past, 8 months or something like that. No, probably even more than that. Because it's March 1st or something. Yeah. I used that drill to drill this whole building. So it's dead now. It had a hammer function on it, but it was not a hammer drill. This one that I just bought, by the way, it was like 78% off. Totally killer deal. It has these quick release heads, you just boom, boom, pop it out. And the drill bits, you just drop them in. You don't have to crank it down, any of that crap. Pretty cool, man. So now I am, like I said, we're pretty much okay now. I can probably almost lock this house up, but I'm gonna lay out my mat, go all the way to that room so I can finish up the kitchen and get that going. All right, man, well, this is a short video. I realized I just left my coffee out here. Meh. But yeah, it is a little foggy because I can see the wet on the grass, which is good because before, our lawn's green, but before, the whole thing was brown, man. I was worried that we lost it, but we didn't. It's all good. It's all good. Survived it. And my wife wanted me to check out her plants, look at the growth rate of some purple dream or whatever it is. Small little crop. Yeah, man, looking pretty good. Should probably within the next few weeks, probably gonna start bearing fruit on a lot of these trees. I can see that certainly the lime trees are already on their way, and this God, I don't know why I always forget the name of this tree. Just probably because I've always called it a mini mango, But yeah, these are delicious, man. And it won't be long now Some of them, they get yellow like that. But those are delicious. Hey man, what are you doing? Meow. What? What is it? What? Oh, okay. I'm not your feeder, bro. Yeah. Come on, don't get right on my feet, man. You're gonna trip me up. If I fall down, we're done. All right, man. Well, hope you enjoyed that. I did. So, thanks for watching, and keep watching. We'll get back at you.